Hello, hi, good
Hello.
evening. Hello. Welcome to my class. Can you hear and
Thank
see
you.
me clearly?
Yes.
Oh, this is Mappy, right? Mappy?
Yes.
Nice to meet
Yes.
you today, Mappy.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
Oh, I'm good.
Oh, good to
Very
hear
good.
that.
But I feel very humid. Probably
Right now?
it will
Really?
right now. Maybe it will rain soon.
Ah, okay. So just today. Yesterday
Yes.
it's not. Okay. All right. So I can see here it shows daily news, right? And the title
Right.
is Bringing Gender Equality into Vienna. Oh, Vienna. Yeah, this is interesting. All right. So let's have words and phrases. Okay. So let's learn some of the words that are used in the article. All right. Would you like to listen to both US and UK pronunciation or just US? Just US? Okay.
Yes.
All right. So let's start with the first word. Please listen and repeat.
Progressive.
Mhm.
Progressive.
Progressive. It's an idea or systems that are new and modern, encouraging change in society or in the way that things are done. Please read the sample sentence.
The left of the party is pressing for a more progressive social policy.
Okay. Can you adjust louder your sounds, your audio? I can't hear you clearly, if it's possible. You can increase the volume.
What
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is?
yeah. I can hear you better now.
You can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you
Hello.
better now. Yes, it's
Okay.
clear now. Okay, thank
Okay.
you. Thank you so much. All
Mm.
right, so let's have the next. Mhm.
Transportation.
Transportation.
All right, so it's a vehicle or a system of vehicles such as buses, trains, etc. for getting from one place to another. Please read the sentence.
Bicycles are a cheap and efficient form of transportation.
I like bicycle too. Yeah, it's nice and it's
Yes.
good exercise, right?
Mhm.
Yes. All right, let's have the next.
Inclusive.
Mhm.
Inclusive.
Inclusive. An inclusive group or organization tries to include many different types of people and treat them all fairly and equally. Okay, please read the sentence.
Our aim is to create a fairer, more inclusive society.
Yes, inclusive. The opposite is exclusive, right? The
Right.
opposite of inclusive. All right, let's have the last one.
Ranking.
Mhm.
Ranking.
Ranking. A rank or level, for example, in a competition. Okay, please read the last sentence.
The city's housing costs were enough to earn it a ranking of 66 nationally.
Oh,
Nationally.
nationally. Okay. All right. So we're done with words and phrases. Is there any questions so far?
No, no,
No question. All right. So
no, no.
everything is clear. Then now let's move on to the next part. Let's have comprehension. Okay.
Okay,
So we will listen to the article here, but before that, let's check the questions that you will have to answer later. Okay.
okay.
So we have three questions here. The first one is, what is the goal of the Department of Gender Mainstreaming? Okay,
Hmm.
please read
Okay.
number two question. Please read.
What change was made to parent with children seat signs on trains?
And what have parks done to soccer fields? Oh, let's listen now to the article, okay? Are you ready?
Okay.
All right,
Yes.
here we go. Let's dive in.
Bringing gender equality into Vienna. Many people think of Vienna, the capital city of Austria, as a very traditional old city. However, Vienna is also a modern progressive city and is now working to become a city with complete equality. The Department for Gender Mainstreaming's goal is to create gender equality in society based on equal structures, settings, and conditions for both women and men. It not only looks at areas like pay and job chances, but also at public transportation and places. For example, parent with children's seats on trains have signs now showing men with babies as well as women. Parks are different too. A famous square in the city center now has a stage area requested by girls from a nearby school. Parks have made soccer fields, designed mostly for boys, smaller so there are spaces for more activities. The city has put lights along paths so women runners feel safe. Even new parks are named after famous women because the older parks were named after men. The city is also trying to be more inclusive, with more places for LGBTQ people and better public transportation access for people in wheelchairs. All these changes have led to Vienna having a high quality of life ranking.
Wow, that's nice. All
Yes.
right, very good. Okay, so this time let's proceed to answer the questions. All right.
Okay.
So I'm going to read each question once again, and please say your
Mm.
answers out loud. Let's start with number one, okay?
Okay.
All right. What is the goal of the Department of Gender Mainstreaming?
The Department for Gender Mainstreaming's goal is to create gender equality in society based on equal structures, settings, and conditions for both women and men.
Yes, so for equality. Wow,
Mm.
that's good, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so very inclusive. That's nice. All right, let's have number two question. So, what change was made to parent with children seat signs on trains?
Change has made. Um, the parents with children seat on trains have signs now showing men with babies as well as women.
Yeah, of course, because men are
Mm.
also taking care of the babies also,
Yes,
right? Yes.
yes, very
Mm,
interesting.
yeah, that's true.
Mm.
There are some families sometimes that it's the mother who is working and the father is the one taking care of the children. It's possible, right?
Yes,
It's possible.
yes, yes, I think
Okay.
so.
Yeah. All right, so let's have number three. This is the last question. So, what have parks done to soccer fields?
So there are spaces more activities. The parks have made soccer fields
Hmm.
designed mostly for boys, smaller,
Smaller,
so
yes.
there are spaces for more
More
activities.
activities. All right, so it became smaller, right?
Mm.
Smaller. Yes, so that is number three.
Mm.
Okay, so parks have made soccer fields designed mostly for boys smaller. Okay, all
I
right.
see.
Yeah, smaller. So there are spaces
Mm.
for more activities. All right, perfect.
I
Very
see.
good. Yes. So now let's move on to the readout part. Okay, so
Okay.
read out the article. Are you ready?
Anyway, can you hear my
Yeah,
voice?
I can. It's clear now.
Oh,
Very good.
okay.
Yes.
Bringing gender equality into Vienna. Many people think of Vienna, a capital city of Austria,
Austria. Yeah.
as a very traditional old city. However, Vienna is also a modern, progressive city and is
Vienna.
now
Vienna. Vienna.
Vienna.
All right.
Vienna is also a modern progressive city and is now working to become a city with complete equality.
Mm,
The Department for Gender Mainstreaming's goal is to create gender equality in society based on equal structures, settings, and conditions for both women and men. It not only looks at areas like pay and job changes, but also at public transportation and places. For example, parents with children sit on trains have signs now showing men with babies as well as women.
that's right.
Parks are different too. A famous square in the city center now has a stage arena,
Area.
arena
Area. States area.
area
Area, yes.
requested by girls from a nearby school. Parks have made soccer fields designed mostly for boys smaller, so there are spaces for more activities.
Mhm.
The city has put lights along paths so women runners feel safe. Even now, even new parks are named after famous women because the older parks were named after men. The city is also trying to be more inclusive with more places for LGBTQ people and better public transportation access for people in wheelchairs. All these changes have led to Vienna having a light equal quality of life ranking.
Wow, very good. I like your intonation. It's very nice. Yeah, pronunciation as well. Very good. Okay. Just you only miss like these chances. Maybe you thought it was changes, right?
And just
Chances, chances.
okay,
Yeah,
chances.
yeah,
Okay, chances.
chances. It looks like changes, right? But it's chances.
Yes,
Yeah,
chances. I
chances.
see.
Yeah, that's right. But the rest are pretty good. Wow, amazing. All right. So, do you have any question about the article before we move on to the discussion part? This one is Vienna. Vienna.
Vienna,
Vienna.
Vienna.
Vienna. So, this is the city of Austria. I think this is the capital city. Capital city. Yeah, the
Mm,
capital city of
mm,
Austria. Austria,
mm.
Austria, not Australia. Austria.
Austria.
Similar to Australia, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm.
All right. So